there are some substrate that can be entered into this glycolysis. One of them is the proteins converted into amino acids, and then amino acids enters first converted into pyruvic acid and then entered as a pyruvic acid in the glycolysis. And then there is fats broken into fatty acids and glycerols first get converted into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, that is PGAL, and then PGAL follows this sequence, and then fatty acids gets first converted into acetyl coenzyme A, and then acetyl coenzyme A gets involved like that. So Krebs cycle has the out product H2O and CO2 in this site, and also written here that a glycerol would enter the pathway after being converted to PGAL. This is the PGAL, and the proteins degraded into that is amino acids, and these amino acids gets involved in the pyruvic acid. But fatty acids first broken down into the acetyl, they broken down, that is the catabolism, and into acetyl coenzyme A, and it can withdraw, so it can be synthesized, so it is amphiboolic pathway. So the respiratory is also the amphiboolic pathway. And okay, but given in the NCERT that this amino acids can also be converted as a pyruvate and as a acetyl coenzyme A, along with the pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzyme A, and even in the Krebs cycle, as it's noted in here, even in the Krebs cycle. This one is the complex 2, and complex 2 has the succinate, that is the fumarate, and it has the FES transporter. And so the RNA was first genetic material, and it shows the essential life processes, metabolism, translation, and splicing. As you know, the removal of the introns evolved around the RNA, and this shows the dominance of the RNA world, and it is being as catalyst, and it is highly reactive as compared to DNA. And given in here, as in eukaryotes there is a splicing, that is the removal of introns. So now it's given in here that the split gene arrangement represents probably an ancient feature of the genome, that is the talking about RNA. The presence of introns is reminiscent of antiquity. This presence of introns, that is the non-coding sequence, and the process of splicing represents the dominance of RNA world. Splicing occurs only in the eukaryotes, so it represents